How does constitutional law affect government powers? In recent days, the topic of constitutional law has gained significant attention as discussions about government authority and individual rights continue to unfold. Many citizens are asking how constitutional law shapes the powers held by various branches of government. This is a pressing issue, especially as recent court rulings have highlighted the importance of constitutional limits on government actions. Constitutional law plays a vital role in defining and limiting the powers of the executive, legislative, and judicial branches. It ensures that no branch exceeds its authority, maintaining a balance that is essential for democracy. The framework set by the Constitution outlines how the government operates and sets boundaries for power. One key aspect is judicial review, which allows courts to interpret the Constitution. Courts can determine if actions taken by the executive or legislative branches comply with constitutional requirements. This power enables judges to invalidate laws or executive actions that do not align with constitutional principles. A notable example of this occurred in the Supreme Court's decision in Saylor Law LLC v. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau in 2020. This ruling clarified that executive power must be exercised by officers who can be removed at will by the president. It reinforced constitutional limits on appointment powers within the executive branch. The decision struck down provisions that allowed federal judges to appoint interim United States attorneys, emphasizing that only the president or attorney general can exercise this power. Additionally, constitutional law guarantees the independence of the judiciary. This independence is crucial for the fair administration of justice and for checking abuses of power by other branches. The judiciary's role as an impartial arbiter relies on constitutional protections that prevent interference from the executive or legislative branches. In summary, constitutional law shapes government powers by defining the scope and limits of authority across branches. It empowers courts to review and potentially invalidate unconstitutional actions. Furthermore, it ensures the judiciary's independence to uphold constitutional governance and clarifies appointment and removal powers within the executive branch. These mechanisms work together to maintain a system of checks and balances. This system helps preserve democratic governance and protects citizens from government overreach. As discussions about government powers continue, understanding the role of constitutional law is more important than ever.